Hello people of the internet, it's Radioactive Cheese here again, and today I'm going to be showing off a new little build which I decided to make. This little build is right here in front of you now, as you can see. Well, let me just bend his legs into place for you quickly so he stands up a little bit better. Oh, no, come on, there we go. Focus on that a little bit. Turn the camera, there we go. Right, this little build is called Nugget. Nugget is, he's one of the builds which I'm planning to incorporate into this bizarre, strange chicken army faction which I decided to create a while back, led by a cyborg robot chicken thing known as Cluckatron. And well, in this army I decided that maybe, just maybe, they could use some kind of foot soldier. And with that, I decided to deliver it in the form of Nugget. He seems to be quite a fan favourite from Instagram, which is always lovely to see. Loving the appreciation, you guys. Oh, loving the love even. But yeah, this is Nugget. And I'll be showing you how to build him in just a sec. Okay, so these are all the parts you're going to need to build Nugget. Luckily for us, because there are so little pieces to actually use to build Nugget, I can actually just start the tutorial straight away. So let's see where I want to get started first then, shall we? I'd say the head. Right, first things first, gonna want to grab this croissant piece and take these two studs with holes in them and place them on either side of the croissant, just like that. Then you're gonna want to take two of these little glowing studs, well, not glowing, transparent lime green even, and just do that. And that's the head of Nugget. Just for record, I am well aware that a croissant is not part of a chicken. Next, you're going to want to try and build the legs. For that, that's just pretty simple. These little pistol pieces, I guess you could call them, and these little handles, or hands even, robot hands? No, I don't know. And you want to grab one of these little chicken legs, just like that. Leg attached to the leg, of course. And we're going to use a minifigure hand as one of the feet. You want to build two of those, obviously invert from one another, so then you have two legs for either side, instead of having two right or two left legs. There you go. Oh yeah, I almost forgot about that part. Well, you'll see this little hole in the pistol piece here. Okay. And this hand piece here is just the perfect size to slot right into there. Maybe a little bit tight, but still it's a nice squeeze in there. Okay, I don't think that might have been intended. And then you just want to place the pistol piece on the back there, like that. Well, not pistol, stud blaster even. I think the stud blaster should get a little bit more love, you know. Just because it's just a really underrated piece, which not many of the LEGO fans enjoy too much. And it'd be kind of nice to see what people can do with them. And now we're left with the chicken body and the two legs. Of course, you want to place these legs into these little holes here on either side of the body. And then, just take this croissant piece, you can see a little bar hole in there, and well, put two and two together, and you get a nugget. I'm very good at maths, as you can tell. Well, that's it for this little video. I hope you enjoyed the video and the little build itself. If you did enjoy it, please do like, subscribe and share, as it does mean a lot to me as a content creator, and it would actually motivate me just to make more videos like these. But again, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.